What's good, everybody? I am back with another swatch idea, I suppose. My uncle had sent me this photo of like a French design. It was nude, and then the tips were like a blue color. So my spin on it was I thought I would use this really pretty lavender color that I have called Cocktober. It's actually a glow. It's more of like a sheer jelly-like color. And I thought that would make a good color for the base. So I did the base color in that. And then for the French design, I'm going to use a new color called Space Out. It's from Quirky Dips from her Space Out collection, and it has blue glitters, black glitters, all those fun things in it. So I thought that would be, kind of similar, but still give me the ability to put like my own spin on the design, so it's not exactly the same. So that's what I'm doing in this one. So I went in, I'm also doing gel method. So I am using Cravel Nails gel base and gel top coat for this particular swatch. So once I did the full layer of Cocktober, I cured that, then I go back in and apply the gel base just to where you want your French outline to be. And the reason why I use the gel is because it allows you time to move the glitters around without it drying, or if you feel like maybe your line's not perfect, you have time to fix that before you cure it. So then it also cuts down on filing time, and you can press the glitters down to make sure that they're flat. So that way you also don't have to buff as much during the final product. So that's what I'm doing here. As you can see here, I'm perfecting my line, pressing the glitters down, making sure everything is flat and uniform the way that I want it to be. And then I cure that. I believe I did 3 layers in this one. I don't know. You'll see when I do it. But and I did that because I wanted Cocktober to be a little more opaque, because since it is a sheer jelly-like color, 1 or 2 layers is still gonna look pretty sheer. So if you're going for a darker look on it, you're gonna have to use a couple more layers. But it is one of the staples that I have in my collection from Dip Hustle, just because it's one of those colors that kind of goes with everything. You can wear it by itself, you can wear it as a French, and it just looks really pretty on all skin types. So that's one of the reasons why I really like it. So I've cured, and I'm going back in, like I said, with Cocktober again for another layer. And you can see this time it's gotten a little darker, so that's a good thing. And then, and another thing, make sure you clean off your nails with a stiff bristle brush. That is very, very important. A stiff bristle brush will cut down on cloudiness so much, especially when you're dealing with clear or very sheer type colors. You don't want that excess powder left on there, because that's what creates the cloudiness, and that also is what contaminates your liquids, whether you're using gel or dip liquids. So you make sure you want to clean it off with a stiff bristle brush. And for this, I'm actually laying the nail into the glitter as opposed to pouring it over. That just kind of helps the glitter, it helps pick up more of the glitter, so that way you get the effect that you're trying to go for. Now, if you don't want as much glitter, that's where you would do the pour over method, but I like glitter, so I'm just going to dump it all, dip it all in there. So this is, I believe, my 3rd layer. Pressing it down each time, making sure everything is flat. You want a flat, smooth surface. And then we cure it. And that'll be that. And then you'll be able to see what it looks like with the final product after this last cure. And also it glows. So that's also my favorite part. I love glow dips. They are my absolute favorite. I will wear glows until I'm old and wrinkled. That's just what I'm gonna do. But I hope you enjoyed this and check out the final product and let me know if there's some other combinations or colors that you will want to see, and we can try them out. Also, if you're looking to pick up either one of these colors, they are available on Etsy. Cocktober is from Dip Hustle and Space Out is from Quirky Dips. Both of the links are actually in my bio, so you can just hit the link there and pick them up and use my code Simone10 in either shop to get a discount at checkout. So see you later. Bye.